in honor of one of my favorite holidays, Easter, we're gonna be testing out 2 different pastel hair colors in lavender to see which one sucks the worst. Or maybe they're both good. The players today, we have Pravana, Chroma Silks, Pastels in Luscious Lavender, going up against Color Brilliance from Sally's, Ion Permanent Brights Lavender. This is my real hair, ladies. So not only are we gonna try this on my real hair, we're also gonna be trying this on my new to me hair, someone's real hair. The swatches on these are basically the same. This one is a little bit lighter, it looks like, and the swatch for this was a little bit darker, so it may not match. Now actually I'm getting a little nervous about this. We're going to do the Sally's color, the Ion, on the left side, right? The left side, so it'll be the right side to you. This goes on dry hair, and you have to actually mix this with 10 volume developer. $8.29 for the tube, plus you have to buy the developer. 1-to-1 ratio of hair color and developer. So if you're gonna do an ounce of hair color, you're gonna do an ounce of developer. We're doing this one first because it takes 40 minutes, right? If you ever screw up, the directions are always inside the box. Process for 20 to 40 minutes. So we better do 40 because why not? Just mix this gal up. Whoa, okay, first off, this smells awful. This smells like a permanent wave. Bad but good. You know, it's kind of like gasoline. Like, you know it smells bad, but you're secretly smelling it.
Quiet, quiet.
Glove up, ladies. Men, girls, boys, theys, heys, whatever. Glove up. I did do a zigzag part because my intuition is telling me that these aren't gonna match, and I have to wear this for a while, so this will kind of help it blend better versus a stark, is the word stark? Versus a straight line. I'm working on my vocab. Actually, I'm not, I don't care. Both of these color lines you apply the same way, just from the root to the ends, and it's only going to alter or change the really bright blonde. Normally when you apply color, you start from the top and then work your way down, but I'm actually gonna do the opposite because I can't really see too well. So we're gonna be going backwards. Super thin subsections. You should be able to read a newspaper through this, which this won't take me long because I have basically no hair right now. Ooh, it's already turning purplish, look at that. Purple people eater. The smell is bad. They should work on that. I mean, I don't know. Smells like it's just gonna chemically damage my hair. Side 1 complete, and it's already turning lavender. It looks a little dark. Now for the other side, we're gonna be using Pravana Chroma Silk Vivids Pastels Luscious Lavender. This will run you $6.08 at the supply store if you have a cosmetology license. If you do not, it's about $13 to $14-ish. This particular color, you do not need to mix with developer. Whoa, it's pretty, look. So what's in the tube is what you're putting on your hair, that's it. Okay, this one smells a hell of a lot better. Just smells like it's not gonna kill you, you know? Same method, I'm gonna start at the bottom, work my way up. Oh, we gotta look at the time, okay. Side 2, the Pravana side. So I like the way this one smells better and spreads better, but I will say that I did almost use the whole bottle or tube for this side. But to be fair, my hair is very porous, dried, lifeless. So if you have long hair, you may want to grab a couple tubes. And this one processes for 20 to 30 minutes at room temperature. I just got some new shower caps that I'm really excited about. So I'm gonna put this over my head and let it process. So we'll tuck and roll. While it's processing, I'm gonna go ahead and do half of my extensions with the Pravana and half of them with the Color Ion Sally. So let's go do that. That's my favorite flavor, cotton candy. We'll be back. Okay, so here it is after I've blow dried it. This is the Sally side and this is the Pravana side. So you can see, obviously this one is a lot darker or more vibrant. This one is more subtle. I'd almost consider this a toner, maybe. The Sally side picked it up better, but it is darker. It almost has a bluer hue to me. Now for my hair extensions, whoop, what the hell? This may be a problem. Here is the Pravana side, right. So it looks a lot better on the hair extensions. Here is the Sally side. It doesn't exactly match the top, but you can see the difference here. These started out brighter than my original hair, so these were almost a level 10. So this is more of an accurate color up to what it would look like. Oops, that could be neater there. I like the Pravana better on my hair extensions, but I like the Sally's better on my real hair. But to pick a winner for the prize of nothing, we're gonna go with Sally's. I like the Sally's color better. I actually like the blue hue. But I will say that the Pravana does smell better, goes on easier, takes less time, but this is more wearable if you had like a desk job or whatever. Comment below which one you like better, and all the products again are in the description box if you want to grab any of these to try. Thanks again for joining me here in my bathroom. Make sure you subscribe, like, unsubscribe, dislike, who cares? I post new cheap tricks for you every single week. I will see you next week for something cool. Something cool.